Yeah, yeah,
Chris to the
I've
city.
been trying to make it out this hellhole that I'm living in. Everybody saying to me, don't know who I could call a friend. It's a lot of niggas crap that I won't get a chance to bet again. It wasn't fault on your fault on my dog just to the end. With my high wearing off, I'm booting up just to be born again. I told her to keep praying for me, feel like Swats was born again. I guess I fucked up, with my heart was open and I'll let you in.
Come on.
Dreaming, don't wake me up. Dreaming, dancing,
Say hi.
dancing,
What you saying?
dancing,
Hey y'all, so
This is sad.
I'm at the shelter right now. I just took a shower. I don't know where my bonnet is, but I'm not about to lay around with no bonnet. So, Saint in the shower right now. Tomorrow I have to take my mom to the grocery store, but I may put like a little clip of the room, but I can show y'all a little bit. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit. I put like a sheet, a cover over the mattress because I don't want to lay on this mattress. So it just protect from like, you know, bugs and stuff. I didn't see any when I lifted it up. But yeah, so nightstand, bathroom. I'm not gonna show y'all Saint because he in the shower. This is the bathroom. Got a little mirror. This is a little kitchen. And this is the refrigerator. I put a few snacks in there for in the middle of the night. Another mirror. Damn, girl. Damn, girl. Bow, 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 bow. Little living room. So a bag of stuff. I don't know if y'all can really get a good view of it, but it's like, all right, so this is when you first walk in. Let me do that. First walk in. It used to be a hotel, so it's really just the same as, you know, as if you would stay at a hotel, pretty much. Yeah, this might be a better view for y'all.
We continue ours.
And that's the little closet. It just got some hangers in there. That's it. That's all that's in there. And that's it.
How silly of this hat.
This is the whole room. And we're watching Netflix. And I'm not talking that loud because it's like, I don't even know what time is it. What time is it? It's a little clock. Oh, it's 10:35. It's kind of late. And it's the weekday. It's Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. So people got work and school tomorrow. I have to wake up early too, but I'm not in the bed, but other people probably are, so I'm not about to be loud. Ew. I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow. I really forgot my edge control, so I'm gonna, get myself together now that I'm settled and got it a little bit figured out. So, yeah. So I'm about to go to bed. Well, get Saint out the shower and then go to bed. And then I'll probably talk to y'all tomorrow. Yeah. But side note, like, my moods go up and down. So like 1 minute I'm sad, the next minute, I'm just like, fuck this, it don't even matter. I'm going to get through this. And then another minute, I feel a different emotion. So it's like different emotions I feel all the time. I don't know why. I think it's just transitioning into all of this and just being, just going through this whole situation. Even before, all this happened, I still was going through my stuff with not being able to, provide, really. So now it's just really hitting home. So it's like, I don't know, my moods are going up and down. So I don't really know how to feel. Sometimes I want to be happy. Sometimes I'm like, down. But I know it's going to get better. So, yeah, like I said, I'm about to, go to bed. And then I'll check in with y'all. That's crazy because I'm looking at myself in the camera. That's why I'm like, what the heck? So I will get back to y'all tomorrow. And yeah, just updating y'all. That's about it. Talk to y'all tomorrow or the next day. Is it good?
Like the outside, it's too wafery.
They're the new Girl Scout Thin Mint combs. It's not bad. They're good. It tastes just like a Thin Mint, for real, but it's just like
Too thin.
no.
The cone is too thin to me.
Yeah, like the cone is
I
like
don't like it. Mm-mm.
Me
You
either,
don't like
Saint. Me either.
I give
They're
that
not bad to
1
me.
out of 10.
a 1 out of 10.
Yeah.
I give it a 7 out of 10.
No, I give it a 1.
Cause I can eat them, but I wouldn't be like, oh yeah, let me go back to the store and get these muddy bites. Like, oh, I want some. You give it a 1 there, not that nasty. Here, give it to me so I can put it in the trash. What do you rate it, Mom?
Maybe a 3 out of 10.
A 3? Yeah, I rated a 7 out of 10. So we got these out of Walmart. We about to go to another Walmart because they didn't have what I needed. So hopefully another Walmart has it. And then yeah, I'm gonna check in a little bit later. Yeah, I'm gonna check in a little bit later with y'all. Say hey, Saint.
1 out.
And today's going okay so far. I'm in a, I'm in a good mood. It's not bad. It's really hot today. I have on, oh my God, look at my fupa. I have on like these black swish pants and a little tank top and some slides. My hair's not done. I need to get some edge control or go to my storage and get my edge control. Hopefully it's not like in the back of my storage. But yeah, I want to do my hair different. and like make it look like something, because I've been looking a little crazy because I've been feeling a little down. But you know, today's a good day, and hopefully it continues, you know, to be like that. It's 3 o'clock right now. Just got a few more errands, and then I may check in, or maybe the next day. I'm not sure, but had to update y'all, let y'all know what was going on. She talking about the Girl Scout cookies.
Yeah, I don't know what it makes like that.
So you don't taste any mint at all?
No. Let me taste this inside.
And I tasted the mint on the inside. You taste it?
I'm tasting it now. A little bit, but not enough to call this a thin mint.
Right. Yeah.
And it's enough, but this wafer, I don't like this wafer.
The wafer, the outside puts me in the mind of I don't
Now I'm
even
eating
know.
it together. And I love them mint. But it's just not giving.
Girl Scout Thin Mints, right?
I don't know what this is giving. Yeah, what is this? They shouldn't be calling it a thin mint. A muddy bite. That's
Yeah,
exactly what it
muddy's
tastes
right.
like, mud.
They say Girl Scout Thin Mints inspired, but still, yeah. Girl Scout cookie.
Mhm.
Oh, Girl Scout. Wait, no, that's the same thing. But Thin Mints don't have these holes
Yes,
on
they
it,
do.
right? They do.
This is nothing like a. I'm not getting thin mint at all. And I can eat a whole pack of thin mints.
Yeah. Same.
Yeah, is it this wafer? But I can eat a waffle cone. But
That's what
I can
it
eat
put
a
me in the
whole-
mind of, like a waffle cone,
But I
like
can
the
eat
ice
a
cream
whole-
cone.
Like I don't like ice
With
cream,
the
but I can eat a
chocolate
whole
one.
waffle cone by itself.
I like
And
one
this
and
is not.
another one.
Yeah.
But it's not
giving
making.
either.
It's not
Then-
making me gag.
Like
I don't- Like I'm not like, ugh, you know. So I'm not like, and it doesn't make me turn my face up, but it's just making me. This is too flaky.
Let me. You done with it? Let me show them the inside. Ooh,
It's like a flaky mess.
it is kind of flaky, but I mean they bite size, so I guess you're supposed to put it in your mouth. Like ice cream with medicine to you? It doesn't taste like that to me. Well, not to me. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Ooh. I mean, I think I showed it better. Why? Why are their eyes gonna be blown?
Wait, guys, don't look at this. Guys, we went to a hotel. Guys, we going to a hotel, and our room is 49. 46.
449.
49.
Oh no, not 9. You got me saying 9. It's 448.
Our house is 48.
448.
448. That was number this. I see you in the next when we get to our hotel. Bye.
Feel about it, make you let you stand. Believe it, probably this shit is not pretend. I'm going out with a win on my mama. I'm facing 1,000 problems. So I don't got too